Hey everybody, Alexander Melrose here, just providing you with a quick video of how to navigate the website I created. First and foremost, my website is made for my golf instruction. Um, for the past 4 years, I've worked closely with a team of instructors in San Diego, named Adam Porzak and Mike Pitt, so my website follows the blueprint of their website. However, with of course my own differences in price, differences in services, and differences in experience. So to get started, this is the homepage you see. Here on the right is my own personal golf logo. Maybe not the final version of it, but certainly the one we're with just now. And on the left is our, over here is our mission statement of high performance golf training. Sounds applicable to the best players, but really anyone can be a high performer, I think, with the correct training. And again, at the top here, we just have the website name, and over here on the left, we have a tool to navigate the website. Scroll down to the next page. We have a quick about section. There is a read more button here, and my apologies. As time unfolds, we will be adding to the about section, maybe as we have some student success or instructor success along the way. We'll be adding to these things with important snippets of information that I personally feel has to be spoken and has to be some upfront information you find out. Now, a very large picture of me here. I'm not sure why the picture is so large. I can't make it much smaller than that, unfortunately. But that's my first win in America and Florida in 2020, and on the left is also the win follows up. Following that win, I won 2 weeks later in Florida again. So this is the services page that can somehow get this picture smaller. I think it's just with the box available on the template. The service page here, brief overview on the right hand side of my career, kind of from a teenager onwards. There's a few things I have left out there just because it is very lengthy at the moment. We'll probably look to condense that eventually. And again, here is the Porzak Golf link here. Just kind of spoke to the guys. I'm actually flying out to see them tomorrow as I make this video on Thursday. I'll leave on the Friday for spring break. Really, as I'm on board with them, I have to kind of follow their blueprint on their website. Language is similar. I do have changes in price, and again, changes in services. So we have the private clinics, the private lessons. We have clinics for groups. We have camps for juniors. Really pretty simplistic services provided here. There's nothing more intricate for that on a personal note for me. I don't feel like there's anything else I have to add at the moment. If the time comes where I stop a service or I start a new one, the website will be updated promptly. And here is a more intricate look of online lessons now as a student, and as we kind of have evolved into this online space, my reach has grown exponentially. So this website, as well as social media, will be a big provider, and communicating with people who may not be in the same state or country as me. Just showing you over here level 1, what we offer, that service tier, level 2 and level 3, as well as the price points. Everything is, as you can see, different, and that's how we've come to price our services. That's all it is at the moment on the website. It is obviously a live document like everyone's website. However, I'm very happy with it. I think it's upfront, and I think that it's everything that I would need to share. Any other information, you would be contacting me. I have my contact information throughout this page. I do believe, though, I will add a contact page in the near future. But that's all for just now. So any questions, please feel free to comment on this YouTube video or reach out to me with the information provided here. Thank you.